Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. Standing next to this 2025 Grady White 235 Freedom. Boat has been loaded with optional features throughout, as well as you'll see here on the outside with a sea glass green hull, full hull color for the bottom all the way up here to our stainless steel rub rail. And if we look towards the transom of the boat, this has been optioned with the new 350 Yamaha. Let's step up inside the boat and see what the inside has to offer. All right guys, so now we're here on the bow of the Grady White 235 Freedom. Notice up front here, plenty of room, 2 adults, maybe 3 comfortably. We got my optional windlass anchor up front, and as well as the optional here bow seating with a filler, as well as can convert to a table. Step back here towards the helm. Notice no electronics yet. We've got an option to you whether you want to put whatever brand of electronics in any size. Also, an option here with the joystick option, single engine, so as your fish point, drift point, and your stay point, as well as making docking very easy. Step back here into the cockpit. Here on the starboard side, I have a prep station. Just comes up nice and easy. Starboard piece cutting board and a freshwater sink, and then conveniently underneath my Yeti cooler, keep my drinks cold all day. Here on the port side, I have my bench seat, which folds down and gets out of the way from my fishing, and as well as another retractable seat, which I can push out all the way and make an L-shaped lounge configuration. As we come here towards the transom, as always with the 235s, conveniently locate your live well and your fish box. All right, like I said before, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach, next to the 2025 Grady White 235 Freedom. Come by and see the options that we talked about today, as well as many more. Have a good one.